A long time ago, a king wanted to see who among his people was worthy of his generosity. He had his men put a large stone on a road that many people used. Then he hid himself and watched what would happen. Many people who were rich and powerful came by the stone, but they all avoided it and climbed over it. Some of them cursed the king for not keeping the road clean, but none of them bothered to remove the stone. One day, a humble man came along with a basket of fruits. When he reached the stone, he set down his basket and tried to lift the stone out of the way. After a lot of struggle, he finally succeeded. As he picked up his basket, he noticed a pouch of gold coins where the stone had been. There was also a letter from the king saying that the gold was for the person who removed the stone. The man was very happy and thanked the king for his generosity. He understood that the king had rewarded him for his hard work, honesty, and kindness. The others who had passed by the stone or complained about it had lost the opportunity to receive the king's gift. The story teaches us that laziness is a bad habit that prevents us from achieving our goals and receiving our rewards. The people who were lazy and did not bother to move the stone missed the chance to get the king's gold. They also showed disrespect to the king and to themselves by complaining and blaming others. Laziness won't get you anywhere, but hard work, honesty, and kindness will. The man who moved the stone was not lazy, but diligent and helpful. He did not complain or blame, but took action and solved the problem. He was rewarded for his efforts and his good character by the king. He also earned the respect and admiration of others. Laziness won't get you anywhere, but hard work, honesty, and kindness will. It also shows us that we can solve any problem if we are willing to act and not give up.